How to fix VPN connection failed. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to try doing is check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. If not, try turning off the Wi-Fi and then turn back again. Once you're using the strong internet connection, the next thing you want to do is head over to App Store, search for the VPN that you have been using on your device, and then move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. In that case, simply tap on update and update the app. Once you're using the updated version, now the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of your device and then move into general. Head over to iPhone storage. Now move into the VPN that you have been using and then tap on offload app. Once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This will also fix the issue that you have been facing and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.